The Volvo S90 key fobs from 2017-2020 use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a non-rechargeable battery that is standardized across many automotive brands. Gather a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Ensure your vehicle is off and the keys are removed to prevent accidental activation. CR2032 batteries are readily available from retailers like Amazon, AutoZone, and Volvo parts stores for around $2 to $5. Dispose of old batteries at recycling centers. The entire battery replacement process typically takes under 5 minutes. Locate the small slot or seam on the side or back of your key fob. Insert your screwdriver or pry tool into the slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob back together and test the buttons to ensure functionality. If the fob doesn't work, consult your owner's manual about how to reprogram it via the vehicle's infotainment system.